Hey guys, imagine this. You've been walking barefoot for a couple days on sandy ground during your trip, and suddenly your toe starts itching like crazy. A few days later, it's throbbing, swollen, and there's this weird dark spot right under your toenail. At first, I thought it was just an ingrown nail, until the pain got so bad I couldn't even wear shoes. Turns out, a jigger had burrowed deep under my nail. That tiny sand flea turned my toe into its personal home. So today, I'm showing you exactly how I got it out safely, without infection or losing the nail. This worked. My foot healed clean, and I want you to know the real steps. Alright, let's get into it. Jiggers, or Chigo fleas, are nasty little parasites found in tropical areas, especially Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean. The female flea jumps into your skin, especially under nails, and swells up as she lays eggs. In my case, she was hiding under my big toenail. It looked like a tiny black dot, but the pressure and itching was next level. I was limping around for days before I really dealt with it. If you can get to a doctor or clinic, please go. They have sterile tools and experience, but if you can't, here's how I handled it safely at home. Step 1. Clean everything. I washed my hands and foot with soap and warm water, then soaked my foot in warm, salty water with a little antiseptic for about 15 minutes. This softens the skin and helps loosen things up. Step 2. Sterilize your tools. I used a fresh needle and fine tweezers, boiled them for 10 minutes, then wiped them with alcohol. Don't skip this. It's how you avoid infection. Step 3. Gentle exposure. I carefully lifted the edge of the nail just a bit with the needle. No heavy digging. Once I could see the jigger sac, I worked around it slowly. Patience is key. You want to get the whole thing out in one piece. I managed to pull it out whole. It was gross, but instant relief. Aftercare is what really saved me. Right after, I cleaned the hole with hydrogen peroxide, dabbed on antiseptic, packed it with sterile gauze and antibiotic ointment, then bandaged it up. For the next few days, I soaked my foot twice daily in warm salt water, kept it dry, changed the dressing, and watched for any pus or swelling. Within a week, the swelling was gone, my nail looked normal, and there was no fever, nothing. Prevention is everything. Closed shoes in risky areas, repellent on my feet, and I check my toes every night. If you're dealing with this, I feel your pain, literally. Try the safe way I showed you, but don't be stubborn if it's getting worse. Smash that like button for more real, no BS health videos, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Take care of your feet and stay safe. Peace.